So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I haven't wanted to create shit for YouTube at all over the past month. I don't know why. I honestly just haven't felt like it. Like, short form content is so much easier to create, and I've been creating a shit ton of that if you follow me on Instagram. But the long form stuff has been a struggle, even to think of ideas of what to shoot about. Although I have the ideas, I'm having a hard time executing them. So I figured I'd make this video to sort of motivate me to do the things I need to do to create YouTube videos. Now, judge me all you want, but I feel like this is the only way to give me motivation to actually start posting on YouTube again. So whether you're a photographer like me, a videographer, content creator in general, and you just don't feel like creating anything for a certain platform, I'm here to tell you guys that it's okay. Just find the motivation to start doing it again, some way, somehow. You're allowed to take a break. I do thoroughly enjoy making short form videos. I am trying to make long form videos. I'm going to continue making the short form videos and the long form videos if I can. And honestly, I'm going to try to do it all with rocking this DJI Pocket 3. This is what I'm shooting with right now. Let me know what you guys think. I think the quality is awesome. Yeah, there's some differences between this and this, but this would do for now. Let me be the one to remind you that done is better than perfect. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.